Hello fishing people. We are here at Kenai Peninsula down in Sterling, Alaska. Russian River area was a little bit slow, so we came downstream to target lower Kenai River salmon. And many people were catching their limit of 6 fish per day. What an amazing place. The water of Kenai was about 1 foot deeper than the usual year, so trying to find a shallow spot for Juntaro was a little challenging, but he did well. This is the third time Alex came to Alaska. His first time was when he was 4, then 8, and now he's 10. And I can tell he's a much more active fisherman with more attention span, and he can be like a little man now. In the next video from the Russian River, Alex will use his homemade knife to process his own fish. If you are traveling to Alaska by airplane, I recommend cutting the big net in half so it's gonna fit in your suitcase. Without it, it's pretty tough to land on the beach because water was pretty deep.
Come on, Alex.
Fish on and fish off.
Good job, Alex! Oh, nice, thank you. Wow, that's a feisty fish. Oh, I got one too. Mommy and Daddy both got fish on. Oh, fish off. Oh, another fish on. Now. Okay, got it. Oh, thank you. Got it, thanks. You can wind up about 3 more feet. Got it. Good job, Juntaro.
Juntaro is huge. Look how big one.
Gonna get him in the shallows. Got him. Nice work.
Second test.
You beat me. Alex has another fish on. Very nice. Got him. Ooh. Yeah, nice work. Yeah, good job. Juntaro has another fish. Watch. Oh, oh! Alex has a fish on again. Oh, got it. Whew. He's... Yeah, your hook is bent. All right. Oh. Okay, good netting. Thanks, Alex. 2. Alex has another fish on. Got it. Ooh. Good job. This is a male.
Yeah, I said most of them are male.
Good job, Mommy.
If anybody ever stays at Isaac Walton Campground in Sterling, the camp host, Mr. Eric, is the nicest person I've ever met.
Thanks for watching, fishing people.
Bon appétit!